and welcome to Seville. So I'm about to do a free walking tour. Nate's not with me at the moment, he's doing some editing, so I'm going to do a tour and see a bit of the history and learn I guess some of the facts about Seville and see some of the interest points, because I honestly don't know too much about Seville, so it will be a good way to start to get to know the city.
Pensando todo el tiempo sin saber, y entre más espero no puedo entender.
They arrive in the lands around here. When they get here, there's already a local people living here called the Tampasians, a group we don't know a lot about really.
I am done. Someday when I'm older,
Producing so much olive oil here, they need some way to get it back to being brought right to his cup. But that's a problem, because then the king has to sit and speak to the nobles. Remember, he hates these guys, he doesn't trust them whatsoever. It's not a very good dinner party for the king. King Peter thinks, no, I want to speak to the real people of my kingdom. So they say that every night the king would sneak out from the back of the Alcazar. He would come down to this street here, which used to be lined with the finest taverns in all of Seville. The king could go in, he could sit and drink the chairs and climb around.
All over the city of Seville are these trees, which are in fact orange trees. Their main use here, there's a couple actually, and this is what I learned on the tour. One is for shade, two is for back in the day when the wars were on or when they were fighting. The oranges, they would use the peel for gunpowder because it's highly flammable, which is crazy. But now the oranges are mostly sent to the UK to make marmalade because they're not actually sweet oranges, they're bitter oranges. But they're everywhere and they are a good form of shade and they're very pretty. This is the Seville Cathedral. Crazy. It's the biggest cathedral in the world, apparently. But now I'm just gonna go meet Nate, see how he's going, okay?
someday when I'm older,
Isn't that crazy?
maybe I'll understand what this means. Someday when I'm older, I know it won't be what it seems. Sure about it anyways.
Good afternoon, guys. It's been a really lazy day for me. Kat's been looking around Seville and I've been relaxing in a coffee shop, editing a few videos and relaxing. Wow, I've been trying to anyway. We're going somewhere for sunset, golden hour. It is late in the day. The architecture here, I don't know, it's so different. Very Spanish looking.
Look at this tiled fence, all hand painted.
So this fence lines the whole outside perimeter pretty much. I like Seville because it doesn't feel like a big city.
It's a really nice city. It's really, really flat here too. The highest point is 7 meters above sea level. That's the highest point in Seville.
Did you learn that on your walking tour this morning?
Yeah. I went to the highest point.
Did you? It's such a green city. I like it. down by the water, and we think it's tapper time. Kat reckons she knows a place. Well, the tour guide said there was a place for tappers.
No, not like one place, like place.
Tapper area, apparently.
I'm not gonna guarantee it.
Kat's a fan of tappers, so that's what we're doing, and that's where we're going. Apparently these are peppers filled with meat. It looks like chicken, but I don't think it is.
Wow, it's packed with meat.
Packed with meat.
Ooh, it smells alright. It's good. Lots of flavour. It's good, isn't it?
A pepper filled with meat.
It tastes like a sausage.
Yeah. It's like a taco kind of sauce with it. It's normally drizzled over the top, but that's a bit fussy, so we couldn't do that. Nice short one today, guys. Obviously we didn't do much, had a bit of a look around, had some dinner. Kat did all the stuff this morning, but
I don't know if I did a very good vlog, so it might not make it.
yeah,
who knows?
If you've seen a bit of Kat's morning, she did a good job. If not, I'll cut it completely from this video, but
who knows, you'll be the judge of that. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. We are gonna spend like half a day
here in Seville, and then we're going to head up to Madrid to see Sammy.
Yeah, so we will see you guys tomorrow. Stay cool.
Stay cool, is that a new one? We're going to do
Stay cool, you know the drill. Nah, just you do you. Give us a like if you like it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. See ya.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Are you going to do it or am I going to do it?
I did it.
Was that?
Yeah.